How has the ACLU changed American rights? Imagine living in a country where your rights could be ignored or taken away without much notice. That was the reality before the American Civil Liberties Union was founded in 1920. The ACLU was created to stand up against government abuses and protect the freedoms we often take for granted. Since then, it has been a key player in shaping the rights of Americans. The ACLU started by defending groups targeted by the government, like immigrants, labor organizers, and political activists. Over time, it took on major cases that helped define what Americans can and cannot do under the law. For example, it fought to protect free speech rights for everyone, even for groups like the Ku Klux Klan or Nazis. This helped make sure that unpopular opinions could still be expressed without fear of punishment. The organization also fought for the rights of criminal suspects. It helped establish that people have the right to a lawyer, that police need a warrant to search your home, and that you must be told your rights when arrested. These rules, known as Miranda rights, are now standard in the justice system. The ACLU played a role in ending racial segregation in schools. Its efforts contributed to the Supreme Court decision that declared segregated schools unconstitutional. It also works to keep religion separate from government, making sure public schools do not promote one religion over others. Another major area the ACLU has worked on is privacy. It has challenged laws like the Patriot Act that give the government too much power to monitor personal communications. This work helps protect your right to privacy in an age of digital technology. The ACLU also fights for the rights of women, LGBTQ+ individuals, and marginalized communities. It uses lawsuits, lobbying, and public education to make sure everyone's rights are respected. Knowing your rights is easier when organizations like the ACLU are involved. They set legal standards that protect you from unfair treatment and government overreach. If your rights are threatened, you can turn to the ACLU for help and guidance. This means you have the right to speak your mind, to be free from illegal searches, and to have a fair trial. It also means that laws cannot discriminate against you based on race, gender, or beliefs. The work of the ACLU has made these protections stronger and clearer for everyone. In everyday life, this translates to real protections. You can challenge unfair laws, seek legal help if your rights are violated, and stay informed about your freedoms. The ACLU's efforts have helped make sure that the rights written in the Constitution are more than just words. They are active protections that you can rely on.